Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Coalition Network, your go-to source for insights into AI and machine learning. I'm James Henderson, CEO of the AI Coalition Network. Today, we're going to explore how AI is revolutionizing the customer service, especially how it's improving response times and boosting customer satisfaction. Let's start with the basics. AI in customer service involves using technologies like chatbots, natural language processes, or known as NLPs, and machine learning to automate and enhance customer interactions. This not only speeds up response time, but it also ensures a more consistent and personalized experience for customers. One of the biggest advantages of AI in customer service is the ability to significantly reduce response times. Here's how: chatbots and virtual assistants. AI powered chatbots can handle multiple customer queries simultaneously, providing instant responses. They are available 24/7, ensuring customers get help whenever they need it. Automated ticketing systems. AI can automate the categorization and routing of customers' inquiries, ensuring that they reach the right department or agent quickly. This reduces the wait time for customer services and speeds up resolutions. Predictive analysis. AI can predict common customer issues based on past interactions and prepare responses in advance. This approach means that repetitive queries are addressed more efficiently. Speed is just one part of the equation. AI also plays a crucial role in improving overall customer satisfaction through personalization. AI can analyze customer data to provide personalized responses and recommendations. For instance, an AI can remember past interactions and preferences, offering tailored solutions that make customers feel valued. Sentimental analysis. AI powered sentiment analysis tools can gauge the tone of a customer's message and adjust responses accordingly. This ensures that the customer feels understood and respected, even when dealing with automated systems. Consistency and accuracy. Unlike human agents, AI don't get tired or make mistakes due to fatigue. However, though, does need a period of time where retraining is needed, but they provide the consistent and accurate responses every time, which helps build trust and reliability with customers. Let's look at some real world examples. Banking, for instance. Many banks use AI chatbots to handle routine inquiries such as checking account balances, recent transactions. This frees up human agents to handle more complex issues, improving overall efficiencies. E-commerce. Online retailers use AI to provide personalized shopping recommendations and instant customer support, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. Telecommunications. AI driven systems to telecom companies can diagnose network issues and provide solutions without human interventions, reducing downtime and improving customer experiences. While AI brings many benefits, it's important to address potential challenges. Complex queries. AI struggles with highly complex or sensitive issues that require human empathy and judgment. It's crucial to have a seamless, handoff to human agents when necessary. Data privacy. Handling large volumes of customer data requires robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Ensuring compliance with the data protects regulatory actions. Training and maintenance. AI systems need regular updates and training to handle new types of queries and stay efficient. Continuous improvements is key to maintaining a high performance. Thanks for tuning in to our discussion on AI and customer service. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insights into the world of AI. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any topic that you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of AI.